2004.
The woman you're looking at is the perfect example of a Karen. She didn't just get physical, but soon committed a felony by falsely imprisoning this biker. This biker noticed he was being tailgated for a while, but it wasn't just the tailgating. The driver was throwing hand gestures too.
Why? Why? Why?
What is your problem? You drive like an ass.
How?
You get out of my way or I'm gonna run you over.
You're gonna run me over?
Get out of my way. I've had enough right now.
No, you were swerving.
Get out of my way.
In my lane.
Get out of my way.
You were swerving in my lane, dude.
Tailgating anyone is very dangerous, but especially someone on two wheels.
What are you doing?
I've done 12 days on this island. 12 days, and on the last minutes, you almost killed me.
I know, I didn't see you, sorry. Gee, I totally didn't see you, like.
Hell.
Sorry, I totally didn't see you.
Please,
I understand.
please learn from this.
I know,
please.
I will.
Jesus Christ.
Rear-ending someone on purpose? That's a serious problem.
What are you doing? You just hit me.
I have 1 meter distance.
You just
I have
hit
1
me.
meter.
Why'd you just hit me?
I have 1 meter distance.
This driver claimed he had 1 meter of space even after hitting the biker.
I was just second one camera.
When you put the finger on us, you
Just second one
You were
camera.
this close from me. You can't be that close. You
I
gotta be
have
further
1
away.
meter. I have 1 meter distance.
Okay, pull over, man. I want your insurance information. Well, I have no damage to my bike. Your car's got a little bit of damage. You want to come look? See if it's okay?
I have 1 meter distance. So
But you hit me. Yes, because you're so close. You were this close.
like going on now.
Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
Drunk guy went full berserk on this biker for no reason, and then he did the same to the biker's buddy.
Yeah, I know you know him. I know you know him.
You need to let go of my backpack right now. You need to let go of my backpack now.
I know you know him.
No, he has nothing to do with me, okay?
He just hit our car.
Just because I'm riding, doesn't matter. He's pulling over right there, okay? Pull over there. We'll get it sorted out. Ever try to pull my backpack, pull me off my bike and wreck me.
The argument dragged on for a few minutes. It seems like this drunkie was trying to make things escalate. But imagine this. Would he really stand a chance against 7 bikers?
What's your problem, man? Okay, don't pull other bikers though. Don't pull other bikers though.
What?
Don't pull other bikers. He had nothing to do with it.
Okay, you hit the car.
I did not hit the car. I didn't hit the car.
You don't freaking pull on somebody else when they had nothing involved. You almost got me, you almost ripped me off my bike, dude.
Huh?
You almost ripped me off my bike and then there'd be another accident. That'd been your freaking fault.
Your bike, dog.
Bullshit. Don't ever touch me. Don't ever touch me.
Huh?
Don't touch me. Get away from me.
Huh?
Get away from me.
I have to.
Get away from me.
Three of you what? I don't care.
We're not gonna fight you, dude. Just go away.
I'm not here to fight you either, man, but you
Just go away.
had nothing to do with it. If he's riding on his bike, you yank him off and he gets hurt. How does that make the situation right?
He wasn't riding when I touched him.
Okay, but you don't need to touch anyone. It's fine. We're not gonna take off. We were getting out of the
Hey, man, don't put your hands up.
Freaking kidding me, dude?
Alright.
Yeah, this guy's got some.
I'm all on video. I was right next to
I got it on video too.
At first, it seemed like this person was Darren.
I have a buddy that lives here.
No. You get the out of here. You don't ride these in here. This isn't your property.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You got to get out of here.
Yes,
You've
sir.
been asked before, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you. Thanks for being respectful.
Yes, sir.
You need to not ride in here.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Thank you.
Practicing wheelies on a public road, not the smartest move. Sure, it will get people's attention, but not always the kind you want.
Oh yeah! How's it going? How are you?
Go your own neighborhood. Stop running up and down the road because I'm going to have your license plate and the trooper's going to be here like they were the other day.
Okay.
Give you a heads up.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
What's that?
What?
What's that, a camera?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't know you. I didn't know it bothered you.
Just serve the neighborhood with the
I didn't know anybody could hear it. I'm sorry.
Neighborhood and do it.
I understand. I will. I'm sorry.
Even if the biker's in the wrong, a calm conversation goes a long way. Passing someone this closely would get anyone riled up.
You doing a f***ing speed limit, you dumb
Go, idiot.
sucker!
You're a mate.
You'll be a f***ing dead.
Righty-o, mate.
This biker was about to miss his highway exit. He gambled, took a huge risk, and ended up paying the price.
Are you serious? Open your eyes. Are you serious?
I didn't see you.
How could you not?
Seriously, I saw nothing.
What were you looking at?
I was looking at the street to turn.
That's exactly where I was.
You might have seen this video from another point of view, but here you'll see just how unnecessary it all was. Overtaking, stopping, obstructing traffic, and then claiming you're just trying to pass makes no sense.
What? Doing what you're doing right there, you got guys back there waiting on y'all. Hit us your riding them boys. I'm just trying to go home and he's riding the phone down. Yeah, stop. You're starting the problem, my guy. What do you mean? You want me to call your phone? I don't care who you want to call. You're starting trying to pick a fight. I'm starting trouble when you're riding a wheelie down the road. And that's my problem. Yeah. That's my problem.
Because I'm a professional at this shit.
You're a professional.
I'm a
so you can
professional.
take the road.
Yes, I'm a professional.
Okay, buddy.
Get in your car and go the f on. We ain't bothering you. We ain't bothering you.
You weren't bothering me because you're blocking the road.
Thinks we were moving.
Me?
Go the f home.
Okay. Okay, buddy. That's cool. Whenever you think
It
it's
is
not bad enough,
Go
do
home.
something. You can do something. Go home.
Get back.
I ain't gonna hit nobody. I'm not into that. I just wanted to go home.
You need to get in your car.
Go home.
Is you just gonna be riding through the road like that? I'll put this block traffic now. Yeah, right. Defend whatever you want to defend. I don't give a f. Okay, good. Big man. I'm going home.
Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Go! Go!
This biker was practicing wheelies in an empty part of the parking lot. Some folks enjoyed the show, while others felt the need to confront him.
My coworkers wanted to see you. They're kind of watching you, but they just wanted to say hi.
Okay.
Did you want to go say hi?
Nah.
No? Okay.
Nah. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Could I have your tag number?
Sure. It's not much they're gonna do with it.
Thank you.
I mean, if I was bothering you, you could just ask me to leave. I would leave.
I'm more concerned about you than I am me.
Well, I mean, don't worry about me.
Oh yeah, I am concerned about you. I'm not concerned about me. Period.
Well, I appreciate that, but if I was bothering you, you could just ask me to stop and I would have left.
I am concerned about you. I am. And, you know, there are rednecks out in the world who would just as soon pop somebody doing something like this as anything else. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah.
The world's not pretty. And you are doing something here that's very dangerous. And I don't want you to do it.
Well, that's why I'm doing it here instead of on the road, so I'm not posing a threat to anybody else.
My name's Kathy.
I'm Garrett.
Garrett?
Yeah.
And I really want you to be more careful with this. Because some rednecks will come up and shoot you. The reason I know things like this is from working for an insurance company and the random crap that goes on.
Yeah.
I don't work for it anymore, but I paid claims on people who were doing things like this and rednecks came along and popped them right from their truck.
Well.
And I would do anything I could to stop you.
Even though it was only a road rage moment, remember to always keep safety first and wear your gear, especially when you're stunting.
Recording the whole time? I was, oh my god.
To lighten things up, I want to remind you what being a biker or a human is all about.
Right, if you can get hold of his body. Yep. If you get hold of that side of the frame, you've got his body. Alright. 1, 2. Alright.
I think I'm set to like right.
It's heartwarming to see people come together, even if it's only when things go wrong.
Alright, we're good.
You're about to see 3 crashes, and how these bikers could have potentially avoided them. Crash number 1 is pretty clear cut. These bikers were having a good time, but maybe pushing the fun a little too far.
Alright, thank you. Dude. I just looped it.
In the second clip, the biker wasn't geared up properly, but the real issue was the excessive speed.
Mother! Why? What? Yeah. Hey, come here.
Here. You gotta sit down right here, buddy. Sit right here.
Are you okay? Can you talk to me? Do you know where you are?
Yeah, I'm fine. Is my camera recording? Look this way. Yeah, it says it is. Yeah, it's still going. No, I pulled into you and I heard it. I don't know why that guy had to pull out in front of me like that.
Even after 20 years of riding, this biker experienced his first crash. A mix of dirt on the road, too much lean and off tire pressure, which he only realized when he got home. All of those factors contributed to this accident. What do you think caused this? Some people believe it could have been a gas leak.
Set on fire.
Move it. Push it forward. Put the kickstand down. Kick it down.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
My bike caught on fire.
Okay.
And just when you think it's a smooth ride, a cat leaps out in front of this biker's wheel out of nowhere. He somehow only brushed the cat, who luckily survived, but the biker definitely didn't come out unscathed. The biker was weaving in and out of traffic, which isn't the safest riding style. Although the cop initially pulled him over aggressively, he turned out to be a really cool officer.
I'm a nice guy, I'm a fair guy, been on the state police for a long time. When I see somebody driving the way you did on 146, weaving in and out of traffic back there, and then take the exit ramp from the high-speed lane with no directional on your motorcycle, I often wonder why you guys get into accidents. Seriously, I've been in this business for 18 years. Okay? There's absolutely no reason to drive like that. Okay? 2 weeks ago, on a Sunday, I had a motorcycle, drive by the barracks. I could hear it. 2 minutes later, we got called for an accident. The kid snapped his ankle right off his leg. Okay, totally unnecessary, all right? You have a license and registration, please? I'm not going to chase you, because if I got behind you out there, you would have just taken off.
No, I don't do that. But I know I'm ready, but I don't want to.
How is your license? What we're going to do is I'm going to pull my cruiser to the left. You're going to go right there where that car just pulled in and stop right there. Jerry, you're very lucky.
Thank you very much, bro.
Stop, you can give me a hard time. Okay? I could be writing you a ticket for about $500 right now. Multiple violations, lane roadway, following too close, no turn signal and speeding. Be careful on this thing. Have a good day.
Bikers, remember to respect the authorities. After all, you probably did something wrong. Guardian Angel saved this biker from going over the hill. A crash that could have ended way worse. By the way, that BikerZ unmatched, right?
I need my meal. I like your bike, by the way. I like your bike, by the way.
Thank you very much. She definitely wants me. Okay.
Sometimes bikers end up fighting each other.
What are you doing, dude?
Dude, you know somebody's gonna slide on this, bro. Somebody's gonna come across this and slide, bro.
People say that you should take the turtle where it's originally headed to, but in this case it was just a wall. So the biker took it to the other side, but the snapping turtle wasn't too happy about it.
Here you go, buddy.
This driver really messed up, from almost rear-ending a biker as they were getting off the freeway to running multiple red lights. At one point, this biker had had enough.
Are you even paying attention to what you're doing? Are you even paying attention, running red lights, swerving in and out of traffic? You're swerving in and out of traffic, running red lights. So you almost ran into me off the exit of the freeway. So what? If you hit me and what? If you hit me and what? That's all you care about? All right. Okay. Keep going. Because you don't know how to drive? You don't know how to drive. How about you almost rear-ended me? Yeah, I know you don't give a for almost rear-ending me. All right. Well, we'll see. All right, go. Keep going. Keep going then. Keep going then. Go. Keep going. Let's see. Come on.
This biker lost his cool after a driver started yapping about how bad his riding was, even though his style was safe and fine.
Litters. Where are you going, dude? There's only one lane here. Can't fucking hear you. What? I'm sorry? Are you gonna give them to me? You can kiss my ass. I've been riding dirt bikes for 25 years. You should, hey, you should try and not throw your trash out on the ground, and you should obey lanes. There weren't 2 lanes there, buddy. There wasn't. Where were the lines for the second lane? That's not 2 lanes. You were in my lane. You're a moron. You can see yourself on YouTube later. Peace, motherfucker.
Seriously? Okay. JIE 266. What the f, dude?
Even after a small love tap like this one, the driver should have stopped.
is that guy doing?
As this biker was entering a gas station, he hit a very slick patch that immediately wiped him out.
Carai, rapaziada, que merda, mano. Fechou. Não aconteceu nada, mas o cachorro protegeu. Vamos demais, rapaz.
Phone distracted driver nearly sideswiped this biker. Don't judge bikers when they get heated. It's adrenaline and sometimes it's hard to keep cool.
Whoa! What are you doing? Oh my god, my heart dropped. Hey! Hey! Yeah, you better not look at me. Open your eyes up now. Look at me! Oh, you stopping at a light. Let's go. Open your window down. Open your eyes next time. You almost killed me. Open your eyes next time.
Riding your illegal bike around your neighborhood might not be the best idea, especially a dirt bike. It will drive your neighbors nuts.
Hey, how are you doing? Good. I was just riding this thing around on a Saturday. Is that okay? Or?
It's not street legal.
Oh, okay. I was just testing it out.
Are you a licensed driver?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have my motorcycle endorsement.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't drive that one on the street.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll take it back.
All right. Where you live at?
I live right in this neighborhood.
Okay.
I was just riding around.
Take it easy, go home, all right?
All right. Thank you.
You bet.
Thanks.
Nobody else reacted except for the biker.
You got your coffee?
I know. If the cup broke and I was trying to open it with this. Thank you.
What are you doing, idiot? Pull it forward, you jerk. Call the police. I got your plate. I have it on tape. I can't move the bike. Call the police now. No, call the police. I got your plate.
There's a backstory to this one. After calling 911, nobody showed up. But the biker received a phone call 5 hours later, asking if he still needed help. What's worse, the other driver had no license or insurance and faced no consequences, even after the biker reached out to the community affairs officer. A dirty predator finally faced karma when a biker took action. This guy lurked, harassing girl students for days. And even after being arrested, he was quickly set free. The biker ran into him again and decided to give him a taste of leather, if you know what I mean. Even today, the biker monitors that same spot to see if he returns. Stunting and speeding are in many bikers' DNA, but it stops being fun real fast when things go wrong, or when the cops get involved.
How you doing?
Why are we riding wheelies down Grand River?
Just being stupid, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you are. Appreciate your honesty.
Yep.
Do you have your driver's license on you, man?
Yeah, it's in the under my seat. Again, I'm just not thinking, sorry.
What are you doing, man? Why are you driving like that?
I don't know. Just got cocky for a second. Wasn't really thinking. Haven't rode all week, just wanted to get out.
I get it, man. I'm not out here to ruin your life or make your night.
I get it, you gotta do your job.
It sucks because if you're riding a wheelie, you dump the thing, guess what? Now I gotta come out here and try to make sure that you don't get ran over by a car, which is your safety is our #1 priority, man.
Yeah.
I've seen guys get into fatal motorcycle crashes all the time. So
yeah.
That's the reason why I'm pulling you over, okay?
I understand.
You have your registration and insurance paperwork?
Yeah.
All right, I appreciate it. I'll be right back, all right, man?
Thank you, sir.
All right, man, so appreciate your honesty. Okay?
Yeah.
I didn't write you anything too crazy. I wrote you a careless ticket.
Okay.
At least it's not reckless. So,
Yeah.
what you have to do is contact the 53rd District Court. This is the phone number down here at the bottom of the ticket. Just give them a call.
Okay.
They'll be happy to explain that to you, okay?
All right.
Here's your paperwork back. Again, I'm not trying to be difficult with you, but
I get it.
It's your safety that's the #1 concern. Because I've been on multiple motorcycle crashes, even with dudes wearing their helmets where they fly off and their brains get splattered across the ground like.
No, I get it. There's no excuse for doing it.
So I mean, I'm all for having fun. It's a sweet bike, and
thank you.
You know, you seem like a nice kid, and I don't want anything bad to happen to you.
I appreciate it. Thank you for being cool, and you know, sorry.
You're
sorry
good, man.
you didn't stop me.
Get home safely, okay? That's the #1 thing. You got a family that cares about you.
Yep.
All right.
I appreciate it. Have a good night. Be safe.
Well, it is Sunday.
This biker showed some serious appreciation for the cops and the work they do.
Lady officer. Hello. Just want to give you a little something and appreciation for everything y'all do. Just a little $5 gift card for Chick-fil-A. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right, will do. You have a good one. If I can get this thing and drive. Oh, I think she's scared of me. Aw. Please don't be scared.
Hey, how are you?
Doing well. How are you doing?
Good.
I just want to give you this. It's just a $5 Chick-fil-A gift card.
Oh, wow.
Just that's a thank you for everything y'all do in the community.
I don't think I was waving. I was like, let me check.
Yeah, I was following you for a second.
Okay, well, I appreciate it.
Oh, of course. You have a good one.
You
Appreciate
look like a guy who used to work here, and I thought, well, it's got to be him. But you
Oh, really?
just like him, you do.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I need to join the police department.
Hey, we're always hiring.
Right on.
Yep.
Well, have a good one.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you for protecting and serving.
Bikers, do not ride quicker than your guardian angel. Sometimes you might have to make an extremely quick decision. I'm guessing people will never accept that bikers are able and in most places allowed to lane filter.
It's legal, mate.
Right?
It's legal.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
You can't go between cars.
I'm not. Huh?
There's a line for a fucking reason. What if I knock you off your bike and kill you?
Well, it'd be your fault, wouldn't it?
Lines like you can
You're a fucking idiot.
An idiot?
Yeah.
No, you are. Look, she hit you up the arse, who's in fault?
Him!
Sometimes when you're riding, crap happens, and you just gotta accept it.
Huh? Why'd you almost hit me, dude?
What you mean?
You just came into my lane. I got it all on camera.
I don't give a what you got on camera, buddy.
All right.
Yeah, I know it's all right.
854 MWS.
Hey, John Miles is my name.
What's that?
John Miles is my name.
All right. Bet.
I know it's all right.
854.
The biker admits both were wrong, but left us with a tip. Don't think the law can't touch you. It can certainly destroy your life. Never fight for your lane, whether you're right or wrong. What matters is your safety.
What the f are you doing?
Wait. I was stopping.
You just ran into me.
I stopped so you could keep going and you pressed on your brake, on your press, on your acceleration.
You don't turn when traffic's going straight.
I apologize.
You're like, I don't knock you the f out.
I apologize. I stopped. It wasn't. I did not mean to do that. I stopped. I apologize. Stop.
If someone's going straight, you don't turn.
I noticed my mistake and I stopped. Let's pull over. Let's pull over.
I ain't got no damage to my but smashed the f out of my foot.
I apologize.
It's all good.
I'm sorry.
Just watch out, all right?
Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's all good. My stuff's good.
Yeah, run a red light and then try sideswiping a motorcyclist. Why not?
Hey, what the bro?
Hey, bro. I just want to let you know, bro, be careful, bro. You almost took me out back there.
I almost took you out.
I was making a right. I was on the right side. I signaled before I made a right to, you know, make a right back there. And you just merged, bro. I was this close.
Oh, yeah, I ain't trying to have you get hurt, bro.
I'm just letting you know, bro. Pay more attention, bro. It's all good, though, you know? All right. Insurance, bro. All right.
What's up?
Nothing gives you the right to damage someone's property or even touch it.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
We're walking on the sidewalk and you're behind us like that?
What do you want me to do? Go on the road?
Yeah.
You want me to go on the...
fucking business on the sidewalk.
Oh, that's my bad, bro.
Huh?
Get out of my way then.
Get out of your way.
Yeah, bro. I'm right behind you. You're just standing there.
You got the camera on?
Yep, it's right on.
Okay. Give it. Yeah. Call him right now. Yeah, let's see what you did.
Give me my camera right now.
Believe it or not, this biker got pulled over for having a GoPro on his helmet. The cop claimed it was illegal because it's not an essential, and because it poses a risk.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Hey, I stopped you today because you have that camera on the side of your helmet.
Okay.
You can't have anything attached to your helmet here in Washington.
You can't.
No.
I was completely unaware of that.
What's that?
I was unaware of that.
You can't have anything on your helmet.
Really? Not even on the front?
What's that?
Not even like on the front? Really?
Let me see your driver's license.
Yeah.
And you have the bike registration?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That really? That's weird.
Okay. Hang tight for me, I'll be right back.
Okay.
And in the meantime, why don't you try taking that thing off of there, okay?
Yeah.
Later, the biker almost got run off the road and decided to put the GoPro back on. What do you think? Do GoPros actually pose any risk for us?
No foreign object to be mounted on the helmet. Gotcha.
YouTube thinks you'll love this next video, so go ahead and check it out.